Have you ever felt like you missed the crypto wave? The truth is, you're still on time, but only if you act now. Because the next big opportunity is already forming quietly, and those who move first win. Just a year ago, I had no idea how any of this worked. Today, thanks to platforms like Coinbase, I've started earning real income by investing in crypto, and you can do the same. I'm going to show you exactly how step by step, and the best part, if you use the link I've left for you in the description below, Coinbase will give you a free $10 bonus just for signing up and making your first investment. You can also win up to $150 in Bitcoin on your first registration. Let's get right into it. First, sign up on Coinbase. It's quick, easy, and secure. All you need is an email and an ID. Verify your account in just minutes and you're in. Second, buy your first cryptocurrency. I recommend starting with Bitcoin or Ethereum. Third, stay informed. Don't invest blindly. Read the news. Pay attention to the markets. Learn a little more each day, but start today, because what's cheap today could skyrocket tomorrow. And very important, avoid beginner mistakes like going all in on one coin, following hype blindly, or letting fear and greed control your decisions. Here's something you should know. This Coinbase welcome bonus won't be around forever. Take the opportunity. Click the link in the description now. Sign up for Coinbase and take your first step toward financial freedom. You don't need to be an expert, you just need to start learning. Are you ready?